I realize I'm not going to win this debate until I figure out what these people who are thinking about this politically, what are they actually concerned about? And I think, though I don't know, that that's who I want to talk to in this book. Because I think what they're concerned about is that they see a world that's changed a lot, and indeed our docket has changed a lot, and they think we have something uniquely American. Well, that is not a surprising thought. You can go back and read Madison. And Madison described our Constitution and our federal government. He says the Constitution is a charter of power granted by liberty, not, and he's thinking, as in Europe, a charter of liberty granted by power. You see, what he's thinking is the basic condition of the American is freedom, and they grant to the federal government a power to do something. But if it's not granted, they can't do it. Difference, where Louis XIV, etc., controls the power and grants liberty. Whether or not you end up at the same place, the starting places are different. And you can see that reflected often today in the law. So they have a point. And what I want to say to them and what I'm working on, and we'll just give you a sketch of it this afternoon, I want to say to them, I see if you're worried. Lots of Americans are worried. But I'll tell you something. Whether we refer to or don't refer to questions of that come up abroad or answers that foreign courts give or what the law is like in some other places has nothing to do with what you're worried about. It is the world that's changed, and our docket has changed. And if you want to preserve, I'll come back to this because this is really the conclusion, and you can leave immediately. But the conclusion is, if you want to preserve our American values, you better learn something about what's going on elsewhere, because that affects directly what we do.